But I want to go back a little bit. I know you auditioned for Meant to Be.
Oh, yeah.
To be one of the leading men of Barbie. Go back to that experience and how was it na hindi ka natanggap? How was that experience?
I just remember na sinabi sa akin na nung handler ko at that time na mag-audition daw ako kasama si Barbie Forteza. And at that time, Barbie was already, like, you know, like, on top of shows.
Was already
na,
Barbie?
Diba? Yeah, like, yeah, di ba? Sikat na siya nun. So parang medyo nakaka-intimidate naman talaga. So pagpasok ko ng, naalala ko pa, sabi kasi doon parang kailangan ng Chinese guy. And then when I got to the room, I entered the room, nakita ko si Barbie, parang nakaka-intimidate naman talaga.
Ano sabi ko sa'yo? No?
Hindi naman, parang, I mean, gets ka naman, syempre, pagod ka na, ang dami mong naka-audition. So,
Okay.
normal naman yun. Kahit naman siguro ako, di ba? Parang,
Susuplada ako.
hindi naman, hindi naman.
Hindi ko kasi
Sabihin mo na.
Yes, I think so, pero
Medyo.
maybe. Pero maybe it was just me overthinking din, na parang, baka ang pangit ng papakita ko, gano'n. Kasi medyo overthinker ako.
So ano nga ang sinabi ni Barbie?
May sinabi ba ako?
Wala naman. Hello? Cute mo. Hindi, joke.
Wala ako sinabi din gano'n.
Okay. So, intimidated?
Yeah, kasi magaling si Barbie na actress eh.
So you messed? You messed
Yeah,
up with
wala
that audition?
talaga. Hindi ko lang mga pinagagawa ko. Sabi ko, mukha akong dito. Sabi ko, sure ako hindi ako makuha dito.
Oh my God.
So alam mo na kaagad?
Yeah.
Ikaw nang nag-declare?
Yes.
Oo.
Pero to be fair, first audition.
Yeah,
first
first
ever
First
audition.
audition.
Po.
Pero
Yes.
Barbs, ikaw, meron kang pinagdaanan na ganun? You audition, tapos hindi ka nakuha?
Opo naman.
What do you remember?
Yung tatlong unang teleserye po ni Miss Marian Rivera, nag-audition po ako as Young. Yung Marimar, Jezebel, tsaka Darna. So, syempre, yung una, Marimar, hindi po ako natanggap kasi takot ako sa aso noon. Eh di po may fulgoso.
Okay.
So, okay, number 1. Number 2, Jezebel. Hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Ganda lang siya. Ganda lang ang kapag ni girl. Eh, medyo yun yung point nung show. Medyo dapat marunong ka lumangoy. Okay.
Correct.
And then last, nung Darna naman po, takot naman ako sa heights. Hindi naman pwede lumipad. Hindi ko rin sure ba't ako nag-audition. Pero yun po.
Pero nakakatuwa.
Opo.
Nakakatuwa balikan yung mga karanasan na ganito.
Yeah.
Because hindi lamang, that makes you grateful, di ba? To be where you are today. But at the same time, not knowing that you're inspiring a lot of young people out there who are still trying. Anong hindi nyo malilimutan na karanasan pagdating sa fan?
Last year po, nagkaroon kami ng Philay Fans Day na super na-touch kami, not just to the fans who came, but also to Sparkle, kasi Sparkle po ang nag-organize po ng event na yun. So, sobrang na-touch po kami, and ang daming pumunta ng mga kaibigan namin, mga Philay. So, nakakatuwa dahil parang ang saya ng buong event. Ang saya, it did not feel like work, even for the both of us. Ang saya lang, ang chill ng buong event.
Ikaw, David, hindi mo malilimutan.
I think nagpa-block screening ng movie. Tapos talaga may mga kumakanta. Tapos may mga ibang tao na lumipad from Davao, from different parts of the Philippines. And I remember, naiyak ako kasi parang grabe.
Yung effort.
Yung effort.
That's true.
Grabe talaga.
At saka talagang they go out of the way.
Yeah.
Umulan, bumagyo, nandun yan.
Yeah.
You would come across fans like that, rabid fans. Na up to this day, they would really ship the two of you, di ba? How do you handle itong expectations? How do you handle the demands of your followers?
Ako po, na-appreciate ko po na sinusuportahan nila kami ni David.
As a team, no?
As a team, opo. And siguro para sa akin, ang natutunan ko po siguro sa isang taon na naging mag-love team po kami ni David is not to get drowned in those demands. Kumbaga parang just keep doing what you're doing kasi minahal naman nila kami sa kung ano kami.
Knowing
Knowing
the realities.
Yes po,
Tama.
opo. So,
Oo.
walang dapat magbago.
At saka, the best thing about it
Yes.
is you never lied to your fans.
Yes. At saka, hindi namin hiningi, pero kusa nilang binibigay ng
Yun.
suporta.
Di ba? I mean,
Parang-
what can be
parang love
greater
talaga
than
siya.
that?
Unconditional.
Yes.
Unconditional
Totoo.
love. Like, wala naman silang ina-expect na anything. Just pictures. Just
Yeah.
for them to see us. They're
Smile.
super happy already.
Wave.
Yeah.
Make me feel good, di ba?
Yeah.
I like that. Ibinibigay kahit hindi hinihingi. And I think that's really great.